Hello, everybody. How you all doing? I hope you're doing great. And it's like 20 after 2 in the morning, and I'm doing an unboxing. Isn't that just a little bit cray-cray? I told you I was a night owl, and I was getting ready to kid up, and I went, ooh, it's not unboxed. But unfortunately, this one from Diamond Art Club is discontinued, probably for a while. And I bought it in September of 2021. So let's see now what it's like. But first I want to say hello to all my subscribers. Thank you for being here with me on Diane's diamond painting journey, because the journey is all over the place. And I appreciate every one of you. Excuse me, I had to blow some dust off my glasses. And if you're new to the channel, well, hello, hello, hello. I hope you like what you see. And enough that you maybe, hey, you'll come back again, or you'll even hit that subscribe button and join the journey with me. So anybody that watches the video, though, can hit the like button or dislike if you don't like it, and leave me a comment. And if you don't want to actually write a comment, because not everybody does, you can leave me an emoji of some sort and let me know that you were here. I'd appreciate it. So what do we got? We got a round pink. The box tells you how it works. Contents. There's a scan me code here. And let's get into it. Because if you're new here, I never, for the most part, tell anybody what's in the box until I take it out of the box. I don't. So, of course it came in a big box. And it's got the, now we're going to have an old kit. Because now they're on their third, whoops. They're on their third round of kits since I've been with them. But we haven't seen the new ones yet. So we do get a small sticker for the logbook. It comes in dust cover. So it makes you sparkle. That means you can add more sparkle to your kits. I've been doing that lately. This one I'm not, because I think I wouldn't have enough drills to do it. So we got that. We got that. We got that. Whoop, let's turn it over. This is a big sticker sheet. I'm just feeling it now because I don't think that's... Oh, it is pre-cut. She was pre-cut back in 2021. Yahoo! You got your old step-by-step instruction booklet. Thank you from the owner, founder. Tips and tricks, how it works. Another code. Tips and tricks. There we go. And we got a kit. Which way does that go? That goes this way. Let's just see. But for being in a box for 3 years, it's doing pretty good. So we got round. Yes, because I've been doing friggin'... That's why I picked this one. Because I've been doing a whole lot of squares. So we got these pretty diamonds. Just in case you're brand new to diamond painting, I'll go through the kit really quick. We got tray in here somewhere. Oh, this is a clear tray too. Imagine that. A pen. There's a pen down there somewhere. We got a bunch of baggies that are not in a baggie. We'll just put all them back down there. Someone had the smart idea that after a while to put them in we have 2 pats of wax. Put the baggies in a baggie. And this is what they used to have, was just the blue pen. I don't think that squish will go on because I think that pen grip might be... Oh my, we'll go on. So the pen grip is there to make it softer and thicker. And we have a 4-placer. Back then they used to just give us a 4-placer. Yeah, look at this, look at this, look at this. These 2 nails broke off, eh? So I took all this stuff off. And this is a little itty-bitty boat. It is a little itty-bitty boat. So for you that are new, your wax... Now, I might not be able to get plastic off. Who knows? Comes with... Oh, here we go. See? Wow. See that plastic? Right here. Plastic on the back. To load your pen, just put your single placer down there. See that red dot? You've loaded your thing. Your single placer. To load your multi-placer, stab it down there. And this will allow you to pick up 4 pieces, 4 drills to one time. So let's just shove all that back down there. I like to show people that because if you don't know, you don't know. Because when I was doing my first ones, jeez, but I was hours fighting with trying to get the wax in until I, you know, oh, you mean there's plastic on it? Ah, yeah, it was horrible. So, this is by a really, let me see, I'm going to do something right now. This I did actually see on, yeah, I got to get at it. There's a bubble there, and it's only, it's not telling us much now, is it? On Belle Art Diamonds, Belle Art Nicole, that's how she does her plastic. Well, I just lost the 2. I just lost the 2 sticker sheets. Where'd the small one go? Excuse me for a second. The small sticker sheet went behind my chair. So, and it's not really big. No, here we go. You're going, what the heck is that? This is called the Campfire. It's 27 by 20 inches, or 69 by 51. And it's from Deborah Malcolm and Diamond Art Club. It says right here. And here's your thumbnail. It's the old rounds, like the style of old rounds. So here we have the mountains, right? Here we have this gorgeous sunset. And here's the water. And you got reflection on the water. And down here, in this little big corner, is 2 people, our 2 people, with a campfire. Excuse me. And it's called the Campfire. Even Deborah Malcolm said, like, why'd they make it so big? Because her painting wasn't very big at all. I mean, they could have, like, lopped that off it there and made it, say, this big, but that's okay. Geez, there's 56 colors in this sucker. Wow. So we have our small sticker. You can use it in your logbook, or I just got a book that I saved deck stickers in. Or if I had been sensible when I started buying these, I would have taken the sticker out, hey? And I would have put it on the end of the box. If you're new, do that. Take the little sticker out from the DAC boxes. Anyway, Diamond Art Club, you'll hear it called DAC. And put it on whichever way you save, stack your kits. Put it on the end or the top or the other side, whatever. It will make it a whole lot easier to find your kits. So, we have, this is a big sticker sheet. So I cut up right here. And I put this piece in my logbook because got my start and end date. Now here's the beautiful picture. Look at that. Oh no, it's no reflection. It's just all water, all the water. And you can see that sunset and night is setting in. And right down here in the corner, you can see sort of the silhouettes of some people and the campfire, like right here. Whoops, still got a bit of nail polish left on. Sorry. So these days, excuse me, please. We were only getting ABs, but look at that. I have 6 of them. How do I know I have 6 of them? Any number below the number 150 or lower than the number 150 is an AB. So we have 124. We got 2 oranges or maybe a red. We can see that they're not numbering them in order either. The 5, I don't know what that is going to be. This one's blue. But we do have 6 of them. So let's look at the codes. Let's look at our symbols to see what they were like in 2021. 310. Geez, I haven't seen that in a long time. Or the check mark. This one here. These 2 either. Now, people call this number 30 a pregnant stick, and I say it's a pregnant lady stand up against the wall. You can call this one, now, if you're older and like me, you can call it rabbit ears or a teepee. Rabbit ears used to go on top of a TV to make the picture better. Diamond. Your sideways G. Hazard. Another teepee. There we go. So, while I got you here, whoop, too close, too close. Hang on a second. We're going to have God circles, people, because it's 2021. But you can still see how clear it is. Down here you got use hashtag Diamond Art Club. There's a take 10 if you've already ordered. You got your warranty and the email, and you have legend on the bottom right and top left. So I'm going to leave you zoomed in. And on the bag, you got your SKU number, your item number, and the name of it in case you happen to store your drills separately. Me, it all stays in the box until I got it done. This one I'm kitting up. Alrighty. Let's see what we got. Let's see what we got. Okay. And again, these are the old bags with the numbers that I can read. This is the best bag they ever had for the numbers. I don't care because it's so easy to read. Because for you that don't know, I have bad eyesight. So 136. Look at those ABs. So you can see what I mean by an AB. The flat backs are the actual purple of the drill and all that Aurora Borealis effect. So that was number 5, 136. And that's a big bag. We got some nice greens. Yeah. I have a kink in the train. I wonder... I should be in bed, but that's besides the point. I'm going to get up now. 9, 2. I don't read out all the numbers because half the time I read them out backwards. I'm not dyslexic, but I'm dyslexic when it comes to numbers. Ooh, that's nice. Ooh, 137. That's a nice blue. 137 was our minus symbol. Now this is a really, oh, you can see the blue. Oh, I have this one now. 820. And I bet you that these colors, and when like I save my drills, well, I'm saving one baggie of each color. But I'm going to bet you that most of these colors won't match because you're after changing them. That's a brown. Ooh, look at that. Look at that AB. So that one is 133. That's an orange. Number 3. So we got 3 big bags of ABs. And Diamond Art Club doesn't do these trains in numerical order. They're done by weight, which I wish they were done in numerical order, but I guess that's their thing. So these bags are a bit smaller. So this is a really dark blue. Oh, look at that one. 138 is number 6. Yeah. Love me some orange. And purple. And purple. And purple. See a theme going on here. And that is, what is that? I don't know, it's so dark right now, I can't tell if it was a blue or a brown, but I think it's a blue. Oh, we got another orange. 132. Okay. I'm looking over at my key here, my legend, my stickers. That's a brown. We got some nice colors here. 6 ABs, that was good for a kit back then. Now this is the baby train, as they say. Which I do expect to. See how nice those numbers are in the bags. Oh, I love it. I gotta start doing all my old kits. Did you notice? Look. No static. It's gonna be wonderful to kit up. I have something in my eye that's probably a little bit crooked here. And the last one is a itty bitty bit of pink AB. Oh, 1 second, please. I have to see what's going on with my eye. Alrighty. Let's... Oh, I was zoomed the wrong way, boss. If you're new here, that's normal. I say I'm going to zoom you out and I'll zoom you in. Let's see. Oh, wow. I hate these red numbers down here. Whew, they're hard to see. In amongst all these redness, this sea of redness down here with these things, there's number 5. Which is a blue. Oh, no. It's a purple. Purple down here, in amongst. I expect to. Now I'm really nearsighted, so I'll be sort of. But the red's gonna be hard on eyeballs. Number 4. There's 4. There's 4 here. And in here, in here, in here. Nope, I lost it. In right here. Here. Okay, GHA. you're going, what did you just do? This is poured glue, so it's very flexible, and you can roll it back on itself. How do I know it's poured glue? Well, it says so on the website, but when you get a clear covering, 99% of the time, it will be poured glue. In here, and all these dark oranges is number 3, so that's all orange, yeah. Number 1 was what? Like a little bit of pink. There's a little bit of pink right here. I actually got my glasses hauled down because I can't see it up close with my glasses on. Does that suck or what? I got a diamond paint with my glasses off, actually. I'm sure I probably never found them all. Oh, there's twos. Twos are in here, in this part. Okay. So there you go. Deborah Malcolm, the Campfire. I think it's going to be, and I always love, well, you know, if you've followed me very long, there's not very often you'll see me do a kit that hasn't got loads of color in it. I'm going to actually just de-stash some that are not colorful. Yeah, because I bought them, thought I'd like them, and I don't want to do them anymore. Yeah. Alrighty. And if you're new to Diamond Art Club, I should have said this before. If you haven't bought from Diamond Art Club and you would like to, you can use my code Diane10. It'll be like down in the description box, and I'll also pin it to the first comment with a link to get to Diamond Art Club. And save you $10 off your first purchase. Yay! And then you can start, once you've bought one time, then you can use whatever codes you find. And always, people, look on your packing slip in your box, because there's always a code on that too. All right? So, now I'm going to say goodbye. Bye! But first, oh, here's your big squishy hug. Because we all need a hug, and the hugs are so nice. Yeah. So there you go, the Campfire, which unfortunately is discontinued, but I'm glad I have it. Maybe you have it in your stash and you haven't opened it up. Well, here you go. It's a good look at it. And you know you're going to see it when it's done, right? Because I always do post reviews. All right. Loves ya. Have a good day, good night, good morning, whatever you're doing. Be safe. Hope your weekend's great. And until next time, bye.